It's the vibrant year of 2006, and the tech world is abuzz with the arrival of OpenAI's latest brainchild, Chat GPT 1.0. A quick Google search reveals an array of reviews and articles discussing the potential of this new chatbot, with many speculating whether it could replace beloved companions like Roover the Dog or Bonsy Buddy. Navigating through ChatGPT's sleek interface, I couldn't help but admire its impressive simplicity and user-friendly design. It was as if OpenAI had crafted a digital symphony, orchestrating an effortless dance between users and artificial intelligence. One of the standout features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate quick AI responses that are straight to the point. Unlike some other chatbots that tend to meander, ChatGPT provided concise and relevant answers, making conversations feel more natural. In a humorous twist, I decided to ask ChatGPT about events that might happen in the year 2020, knowing full well that the beta version might come up with some amusing predictions. To my surprise, the chatbot mentioned a possible pandemic, complete with details about lockdowns and economic failures. I responded with a hopeful remark, acknowledging the far-fetched nature of such a prediction. This quirky exchange highlights the playful side of ChatGPT and underscores the fact that, as a beta version, it may occasionally produce outlandish or unexpected responses. In conclusion, OpenAI's ChatGPT emerges as a quantum leap into the world of chatbots. As OpenAI continues to shape the future, ChatGPT could very well redefine our expectations for AI interactions, paving the way for a new era of conversational technology.